Hey guys, for this video, let's check out the newest HG carbon side stay for AR chassis Asia Challenge. Let's go! Now let's first open this up and let's see what's inside the pack. First, you get the manual or the guide, so it will tell you or guide you how to install it. Okay. Next, we have a screws. This is a 2x5 millimeter and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces, and the carbon plate itself. There you go. Now let's talk about the appearance. This is 1.5 millimeter thick and it has a purple logo and letterings here. There's Tamiya logo here, and then there's letterings TMAC or Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive Asia Challenge. Okay, and as you can see, carbon finish looks very slick. Okay. Now let's compare these to the regular AR FRP plate. On my left is the carbon side stay, and then on my right is the regular FRP plate. Now let's check out if they have the same hole placement. So let's check it out. Yes, they have the same hole placement. Now the difference is that the carbon side stay is a bit chunkier on this side. Okay, but all the holes where you put your screws, it's the same. Okay, there you go. Okay, next let's compare the weight. As first weighing the FRP plate, it's around 2.2 grams, and it's weighing the carbon side stay, weighs in at 1.9 grams. So this one's obviously lighter than the FRP. Okay, now the question is, will you upgrade from your regular FRP to the carbon side stay? The answer is yes. For me, 2 reasons. First, this one's more durable than the regular FRP, and then second, I like the way how it looks, especially if your colorway is purple. For the price, this one costs 550 pesos, and I bought this from the Brickyard British North. I believe it's available to all Brickyard stores, and also it's available at Tamiya Underground. So that's it for our video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more Tamiya content. See ya!